Why, hello there, lovely one. It's me, Helen the Great. Now, we're going to look at my favorite method of finding prime factors of a number, and that's called the ladder method. The reason it's called the ladder method is because it looks almost like a ladder. But anyway, let's go on and get onto it. We've got three different numbers that we need to find the prime factors of. So, we start by figuring out what prime factor goes into that. And the most obvious one is 2. So 252 divided by 2 gives us what number? 126. And yes, folks, I did that in my head. Now, can 2 go into that again? Yes, it can. So what's 126 divided by 2? It's going to be 63. Once again, I did that in my head. Now I know that 3 can go into 63 because in order to find out if a number can go into 63, I just add the digits together. If that's a factor of 3, then it's good. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 can go into 9, so it's all good. So what is 63 divided by 9? That's going to be, or divided by 3, that's going to be 21. Is 21 able to be divided by anything? Yes, it can be divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Can 7 be divided by anything? Yes, it can be divided by 7, which gives me an answer of 1. So that means in 252, our prime factors are 2 to the power of 2 times by 3 to the power of 2 times by 7. And you'll remember that the full stop shows us that we're multiplying the terms together. So 2 to the power of 2 is because 2 times 2, that's 2 to the power of 2. 3 times 3 is 3 to the power of 2, and 7 is just 7. Let's do the next one. 420 can be divided by 2. So that will leave us with how much? 210. Now 210 can also be divided by 2, which will leave us with 105. Now we need to find a prime number that goes into 105, and the easiest one to spot is 5, which means it's 21. Okay, well that's easy enough. We did that over here. So 21 divided by 7 is 7, or is 3, and 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. So if we were to write this 420 as a product of its prime factors, we would say 2 to the power of 2 times by, and we like putting it in number order, times by 3, times by 5, and times by 7. Very, very nice. Okay, 120. What prime number can go into 120? 2. And that leaves us with 60. What prime number can go into 60? Well, I'm going to go with 2 again, which leaves us with 30. What prime number can go into 30? Once again, I like my 2's. So let's divide 30 by 2 and we get 15. Now 3 can go into 15, leaving us with 5. And 5 can go into 5, which leaves us with 1. So 120 is equals to 2 to the power of 3 times by 3 times by 5. Now I just want to make something explicit. You'll see that all of the numbers I've used are prime numbers, and that's really, really important. When you are finding the prime factors, your answer should only include prime numbers. Well, that's it for now. Much love.